Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to Tech Center, the channel that will teach you everything you need to know about making money online and everything related to tech and online business. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make easy online money as a broke and as a beginner. You just need a computer or a mobile phone connected to the internet and some of your free time. But before that, if you like videos about making money online and online business, entrepreneurship, building online websites and stores, websites and softwares comparison, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything when I find out a new making money strategy and share it with you on this education channel. Without any further steps, let's jump in right to my computer so I can show you how you can start making money online today. Stay tuned. So guys, here we are into my computer, and this is the website we're going to use today to start making money online as a broke and as a beginner. Please watch this video till the end because I will explain to you everything well and reveal some tips that will help you make money faster. So the website is called Paydera. Paydera is a trusted and 100% legit website. I've done many researches before uploading this video to you guys, and I will show you payment proofs later. The website provides tons of tasks and surveys that you make money just by completing them in minutes. The website also provides many other easy ways to make money. Don't skip anything, I will show you everything in a moment. So this is the website we're gonna use. Now let's read together what they are saying about it. Turn your time into money. Working online has become easy without any previous experience, using all-in-one solution provided by Paydera. To get paid doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. No country redirection, instant payment requests, both mobile and desktop users are accepted. Why we are the best? Unlimited tasks. We are providing unlimited tasks to complete every day. Makes no limit to what you can make per day. Inviting friends. We are paying you to invite your friends to join us. Make money from your social circle. Instant payment. Reach the minimum payout threshold and request your instant payment easily 24/7 available. What we offer: sign up tasks, complete surveys, uploading videos, invite friends, write about it, all in one. And as you see here, they have more than 400,000 members and more than 3 million tasks completed and almost 700,000 payments sent. That's really a huge number. So now let me show you my account on this website and how to use it to make money. After you sign up on the website, this is how your account dashboard will look like. So the first method to make money is by sharing a referral link. As you see here, there is a referral link for the website. If you share it, you will earn money for clicks. It shows you here that you will earn $3 per 1,000 clicks and 10 cents per sign up. Many of you now are wondering how to get clicks and signups. It's very easy. You can share the link on Facebook groups, for example. There is a making money groups on Facebook. You can share your link there, asking people to join this website and start making money. If someone sign up, you will get 10 cents. The second method is by completing surveys, and it's the easiest way. As you see here, if I click on surveys, it will show me tons of surveys that you make money just by answering simple questions. And as you see here, it shows you how much you will earn when you finish the survey. Like this one shows 25 cents and this one 50 cents. It can even go up to $1 for only one survey. So now let me show you the third method. Completing tasks. Tasks and surveys are updated every minute, so they are unlimited. Tasks is something like liking videos, downloading apps, simple sign-ups, subscribing to websites, something like this, etc. So now let's go to the payment request. You can request a payment at any time. You just need to reach the minimum payout request. As you see here, they pay via PayPal. And the minimum payment request is $20 if you have 150 referrals on the website, and $30 if you have less than 150 referrals or you don't have any referral on the website. Last thing to show you on this website is payment proof. As you see here, if you click here on proofs and reviews, it will take you to a page where people who is working on this website are submitting their payment screenshots when they receive money from this website. At the end of this video, if you have any questions, don't forget to comment below, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new making my strategy on my education channel. Thanks for watching.